Hi everyone, we've just finished our Singapore Roadshow event. Singapore has been the first stop in our Asia Roadshow tour. We're quite keen to continue exploring Asia. MedTech World has always been, throughout the past couple of years, very close to startups, to investors, to the MedTech industry, and we're very excited that we're finally making the move to start exploring Asia. There's loads of stuff going on, especially in Singapore. Everyone has welcomed us with open hands. We're genuinely excited to continue working within Singapore. We've came across some very good startups who have a lot of potential to influence not just Asia but beyond Asia. One of the strong pain points that we've came across here is that there are not too many investors looking to invest within MedTech, and that's something that MedTech World is keen to help on. We're very excited to come here again very soon, work on bigger events, get connected more to the industry, and hopefully also involve them within our MedTech Malta event and even more in our plans to expand into the US.